Okay, I just want to touch base with you as you are wrapping up your Article Analysis 2 essay. Just to remind you that you have these resources here, so please take advantage of them. Look over the concerns that I've posted, look over the rubric, and then, of course, take advantage of these sample essays. They are good models. These three have been updated, and then this is the new one on the car essay. So maybe since you read car and you did your own, maybe you can kind of compare, what you did with the model. I cannot stress to you enough the need for you to look at the feedback that I gave you on that first article analysis essay. Okay, so you're going to use that feedback to inform your work on this next essay. Make sure another thing that you are doing is that you're analyzing the essay. So your essay should have a good balance of summary and analysis. It doesn't need to be all summary and it doesn't need to be all analysis. It needs to be balanced. And remember, you are analyzing the article and not the topic. I cannot stress that enough. You're just analyzing the article, the writer of it, and how he structures his work. You're not analyzing the topic of resilience just yet. That is for the term paper. Okay, so I've gone ahead and linked the Setting Up Essay in Word video here for those of you who need a refresher on how to set up your essay properly. Remember, we are doing MLA style, so you will have your header information in the left-hand margin over at the top. There's spacing information and also how to do the page numbers in this video. Okay, and one more thing that I wanted to show you was how to get your work cited properly formatted. So if you were to click on the sample analysis 4 essay, again, please look over this essay and look over all the sample essays just to get a handle on it. Just real quick, notice that there's not any full quotations in this thing. There are some weaved quotes. So you want to also limit your quotations in your essay, and that page numbers come at the end of the sentence only, and they come whether we are paraphrasing or we are quoting directly. Anything that is credited to the author should have a page number when there are page numbers available. Okay, so on the works cited page, you can just copy and paste or type this out directly. But I do want to show you how you can get it. So you can highlight your information. Again, Times New Roman 12 should be the same font as the entire paper. And then it's in this paragraph right here, the paragraph arrow. Here is where you set it up. So let me just show you what it looks like when we don't. Okay, so that would be just normal. And then what we are doing is a hanging indent, and it should be 0.5. So that is how you do that. You hit OK, and it does it for you. That just means that the second and following lines are 0.5 inches from the margin. Okay, I hope this helps. Good luck as you work on your essay this week. Have a good week. Thanks.